Hey, welcome back to the channel hardreset.info, and today I will show you how to send someone a message on X. Before we start, I need to mention one important thing, that on X you can message people only who follow you or who have their DMs open to everyone. Okay, so let's open X application on the device, and now I need to tap this letter icon in the bottom right corner of my screen. That's your messages section. Now you want to tap new message button that usually is located in the bottom right, and it looks like plus sign. And now search for the person that you want to DM by typing their username. From the list that will appear on your screen, you have to select a specific person, which will redirect you to chat with this person. And basically in the text box you have to type your message, and finally when you are ready to send it, just hit send button that looks like paper plane icon. And now you see that the status of my message says sent. So that's basically it. I really hope that you find this video helpful. Please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.